Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard or abroad, and big up on yourself, one love and one heart. So right now I am in Porus Manchester, very close to Clarendon. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid, guys. Yeah man, so if you like this video, you can press the like button free of cost. And if you want to get an update on this channel, always remember to click the bell and press the all icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a video, guys. So remember to press the bell. On your left, you have the New Testament Church in Porus. So we are driving on A2. Yeah man, so in Porus town area is a very small town. Yeah man, so remember them, you have to pass through them town area if you not come from Kingston going to Mandeville. Yeah man, you have to pass them town area. Cause you know say a lot of persons pass through them area. A lot of persons kinda don't see them area for a long time because a lot of persons overseas want to see them area. So big up on yourself, you know. I enjoy the tour. You know, today is a Sunday, so it's not a busy day. Just I go on a tour today on a Sunday. Very, very quiet day to have a road trip in Jamaica. Yeah man, I pick him star up with them like some green skin star apple. One of the meanest fruit, very hard to pick off a tree. So when you're in Porus, guys, it's about 17 minutes drive to Mandeville town area. It all depends on all this traffic. So welcome to Clarendon, guys. We are now in Clarendon. So that was the border of Manchester and Clarendon. So welcome, guys. Clarendon is a parish in Jamaica. Is located on the south of the island, roughly halfway between the island eastern and western end. Located in the county of Middlesex, it is bordered by Manchester on the west, St. Catherine in the east, and in the north by St. Anne. Yes, people who don't know, beautiful Jamaica this. One love and one heart. So we're having some bumpy ride today. So when you come in the Clarendon area, you can get some yeah, man, so if you don't want to know fruits, you can come in that area. A lot of different types of fruits. Yeah, man, the orange and the star apple and the star fruit. Check out this area in Clarendon. On your left, you have, I think it's the Berrydale. Man, so I have to look out for them big units up on them road here, you know. Look out for them big units here. Yeah, man. Plus you have to look out for these potholes. Yeah, man, cars enough to chop on a tire. put in a expense, my paper. Yeah, man. Just the vibes. I was saying today, a lot of people are going to the beach. I'm going to the river also. A lot of people go to the alligator pond area. Yeah, man, the road in some bad condition, my people. Lot of pothole, and I've look out for them bad condition. So we're now in the Scott Pass Community Square. Yeah, man, so we're the Scott Pass Community Square. So when you're going to the airport from Mandeville side and you pass through them places are very close to Juicy Beef, them always stop and get them Juicy Beef patty if you not travel them area. Yeah man, so remember forgetting the Juicy Beef patty. Yeah man, so you see the police them at work. Yeah man, like you might get a bridge ticket a while ago. So welcome guys to Clarendon Park. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome guys to Clarendon Park. Yeah man, so we're there at the park here, you can buy no Juicy Beef patty. Yes, my paper. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love, I want to have my paper. One love, you know.